Identify the given pictures and fill in missing letters. दी गई चीज़ों को पहचानिए और लापता हरूफ पुर कीजिए. First, we shall identify the given pictures and recall their spellings. अब हम दी गई तस्वीरों को पहचानेंगे और उनके हरूफ दोहराएंगे. Then we shall identify the missing letters and write them in blanks. फिर हम लापता हरूफ पहचान कर इनको खाली जगह में लिखेंगे. Here we see the picture of an umbrella. Here is written U M B R dash double L A. The spellings of umbrella are U M B R E double L A. Umbrella. Here letter E is missed, so we write here E. Here we see the picture of a top. Here is written T dash P. The spellings of top are T O P. Top. Here letter O is missed, so we write here O. Here we see the picture of a yak. Here is written Y dash K. The spellings of yak are Y A K. Yak. Here letter A is missed, so we write here A. Here we see the picture of a turtle. Here is written T U R dash L E. The spellings of turtle are T U R T L E. Turtle. Here letter T is missed, so we write here T. Here we see the picture of a yarn. Here is written Y A dash N. The spellings of yarn are Y A R N. Yarn. Here letter R is missed, so we write here R.